Hey everyone! If you're hunting for a solid, budget-friendly, everyday camera that still packs a punch in 2025, the Sony A6000 might be exactly what you're looking for. Despite being a bit older, this camera holds its ground against much newer and pricier models. And there's one hidden feature that actually gives it an edge for certain users. Let's break it down and see if this is the perfect camera for you. And don't forget, links to the best deals are in the description below. Let's start with the best reasons to have a Sony A6000. First reason, the value of the A6000. So here's the deal. When shopping for a beginner or affordable camera, chasing massive specs or the absolute sharpest video isn't always the smartest move. What really matters is whether your camera helps you create, helps you turn everyday scenes into something special. That's where the Sony A6000 shines. It's compact, intuitive, and honestly just fun to use. A clunky camera that's hard to figure out, that'll kill your creativity. But the A6000 feels modern, easy, and light, like it's meant to be carried around all day. Second reason, build and design. Even though it's budget-friendly, it doesn't feel cheap. The body is made of solid metal and has a deep, comfortable grip. It's light enough to toss in your bag, but sturdy enough to take a few knocks. And yep, it has a built-in flash, something that's surprisingly rare in today's camera world. Now, it's not perfect. There's no audio jack for an external mic, and the rear screen, it's not a touch screen and only tilts partway up, not ideal for vlogging or framing yourself. Third reason, battery life and usability. Battery life? Not its strongest suit. You'll definitely want a few spares on hand if you plan to shoot all day. Thankfully, third-party batteries are super affordable, under $50 for a pair on Amazon. Fourth reason, photo and video performance. Here's where things get interesting. The A6000 has a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, just like many newer Sony models, think A6100 or A6400. It shoots at a snappy 10 frames per second, perfect for fast action shots or energetic pets. The autofocus is quick, too. Occasionally, in video, it might miss focus for a second, but it recovers well. The images, they have this dreamy, soft, almost film-like quality. Not tack-sharp, but beautifully nostalgic. It's like the camera is adding a little bit of character to each shot. Fifth reason, lenses and upgrades. To really bring out the best in this camera, pairing it with newer lenses helps a lot. Try the Sony 35mm f1.2 for tack-sharp results, or grab the Sony 55 to 210mm for versatile zooming. The kit lens, 16 to 50mm, is usable but not exciting. Great to start, but you'll want more. Sixth reason, video limitations. Now, let's talk video. It tops out at 1080p HD. No 4K, no super slow motion. But for casual clips, it's still more than enough. Think family gatherings, vacations, quick projects. And here's an audio sample directly from the internal mic. Pretty decent for something without an external input. Seventh reason, who it's for, so who should actually buy the A6000? If you can snag it used for around $600 to $700, it's a total steal. It's not worth buying brand new anymore, around $869, because at that price point, you're better off with something like Sony ZV-E10, Sony A6100. Both offer 4K video, better autofocus, and modern features. But neither has the vintage charm or unique color profile that the A6000 naturally delivers. Final thoughts. Here's my final take. I genuinely prefer the Sony A6000 over a lot of newer, more expensive cameras. Why? It's cheap. It has a distinctive look. It's simple, compact, and just fun to shoot with. And that slightly dreamy, imperfect image, it feels like real photography. If you want a camera that adds soul to your shots without needing hours of editing, this is it. So if you're ready to grab the Sony A6000, I've linked the best prices and bundles in the description below. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more camera reviews and creative gear guides. See you in the next one.